Excellency, thank you. It is a great honor for me to present to Your Excellency the credentials nominating me as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the People's Republic of China to the Principality of Andorra.
You're very welcome, Excellency. Nice to meet you here.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you here. You've met our
Your Excellency.
Minister of Foreign Affairs
Yes, nice to see you again.
and my representative in the Principality.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Thank you for present the copy of
Oh, yeah.
credentials to
Oh,
Her
yes.
Excellency.
He told me, the Minister.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, and very impressive of the
Yeah.
of Andorra. Excellent.
Es un gran honor presentar las cartas que me acreditan como embajador extraordinario y plenipotenciario de Portugal junto al Principado de
Conoce ya a la ministra de Asuntos Exteriores.
Ya nos conocí a la ministra cuando estuve aquí para presentar las copias que la veo.
I have the great pleasure to present to Your Excellency my letters of credence as Ambassador of the United Arab Emirates to the Principality of Andorra. It also gives me great pleasure to convey the warmest greetings of His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates, to Your Excellency. And I would like to seize this opportunity to convey that His Highness, the President, desires that my mission be focused on developing the bilateral relations between the United Arab Emirates and the Principality of Andorra.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellency. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You've met.
Excellency, the UAE is very focused.
We were happy that Andorra will be participating in Andorra, and so we're very excited for.
Bonjour Monseigneur, c'est un très grand honneur pour moi de vous présenter la lettre de rappel de notre prédécesseur et mes lettres de créance signées par le président de la République.
Soyez le bienvenu, les créances.
C'est
Ça a
formidable.
été formidable. Hein?
C'est formidable parce que mon décret de nomination est paru samedi matin et je suis arrivé en Andorre samedi soir.
Excellencia, tengo el honor de presentar a usted la carta de cese de función de mi predecesor y la carta por la cual el Santo Padre me acredita como su nuncio apostólico en el Principado de Andorra.
Bienvenido.
Gracias. Gracias.
Ya conoce la ministra
por supuesto.
de Asuntos Exteriores, nuestra representante ante la Principalidad también.
En el país
Sí.
Generalmente a usted